Hey everyone, Bria here with Web Education Services. So Mother's Day is coming up and I want to show you all this awesome photo editor tool we use so that your business can give all the moms out there an awesome shout out. We use PIXLR X because it's easy to use and has some awesome templates. We typically like to use the Facebook post template because you can post it on many different platforms and you just kind of want to find a design that you like. I like this one because it's already got a Mother's Day theme going on, and because we're not giving just your mom a shout out, of course you want to change this up a little bit, customize it to how you want it to look. And of course, if you want to set an image to something that you decide you want to choose, you can go ahead and you can do that as well. And of course, down here, all you got to do is save Happy Mother's Day post. And all you got to do is download, and it's going to show up right here, and it's on your laptop and it's ready to post. And of course, if you need any help just kind of figuring out how to learn about this tool, or any questions, of course you can find us at webeducationservices.com, or you can call us completely free, because we just want to help you guys out and help you post the best content that you can. So thank you everyone.